Hey YouTube, I'm back with another video. So this video is another festival look, but this one, instead of a Coachella festival look, this is a music festival look. I just think this look is a pretty good look, and I'm gonna go through it. So let me go all the way through it. So let me start with the purse. I have my holographic clutch purse that I kind of DIY'd a little bit with the lion earrings that I had that didn't work, but yeah, that I have that. And then I have these rings. This goes to a ring set, but then this is a ring that I also have. And then I have this necklace that actually came with this. So yeah. So what I have on is this cardigan, kind of ruffle cardigan, two-tone, white at the top but turquoise at the bottom and thing. And then I have on this white lace tank along with these dark blue pants with the beaded flowers on it and thing and stuff. But yeah, and this is how it looks. This is just like a simple, like if you're going to a music festival and you just want something easy, you went to a music festival in the summertime, something easy, something look good but kind of put together. This is a pretty good look. So if any of y'all plus size sisters actually love this, please give this look a thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel.